500 years on from Leonardo da Vinci's death, discoveries are still being made about the Renaissance genius. For the very first time in 5.5 centuries, the landscape drawing known by its inventory number 8P will return to Vinci, the Tuscan hometown of Leonardo da Vinci. Thanks to the work put in by the Opificio delle Pietre Dure of the restoration and analysis of the drawing, many new discoveries have come to light about Leonardo. The analysis discovered that Leonardo was ambidextrous, using his left hand, his stronger hand, as well as his right hand to perform tasks, in this case, drawing. The analysis also proves that the drawing was worked upon in 2 different stages and has traces of another landscape on the backside, as well as figurative drawings.
Studiare le tecniche di Leonardo giovane nel campo del disegno è un obiettivo molto affascinante, ma anche molto difficile. Siamo negli anni 70-80 della sua produzione, il disegno, il paesaggio degli Uffizi è uno dei disegni più famosi ed è datato 1473. Stiamo studiando le tecniche sul recto, le tecniche sul verso e vediamo come Leonardo utilizza già alla fine del 400 più o meno tutte le tecniche grafiche conosciute in quel periodo, con il suo aspetto, diciamo, di sperimentazione che lo caratterizza.
So what exactly were these graphic techniques and materials that he used? Leonardo used many different tools such as a lead stylus that made a grey mark on the sheet, a kind of embryonic pencil to trace the base or outline sketch for the whole drawing, on which he then elaborated using ink that contained copper and carbon black elements. We can even tell that he probably superimposed on the sheet a layer of tracing paper in order to be able to draw the skyline of the landscape with greater accuracy. He painted the vegetation, the ground, the mountains and the water freehand. Chronologically, the drawing on the front was done in 2 different phases. The first phase done with a stylus tracing paper and one kind of ink, and the second done with a different kind of ink with a different chemical composition.
Le indagini diagnostiche del tipo non distruttivo che sono state effettuate sul disegno 8P della Galleria degli Uffizi hanno svelato la presenza di inchiostri diversi. Anzitutto c'è da considerare che il disegno è comprensivo del recto e del verso. Fino a questo momento è stato preso in considerazione soltanto la parte più famosa, quella del recto. In realtà appunto anche sul retro ci sono delle figure e c'è un piccolo paesaggio. Le analisi che si sono svolte hanno riguardato sia la parte del recto e del verso, quindi hanno contestualizzato la presenza di materiali sia a livello di inchiostro che di matita usata per il disegno. La risposta di queste indagini ha messo in evidenza appunto la natura diversa dei materiali e quindi questo sarà uno spunto, un materiale di riflessione e di studio da parte dei restauratori e degli storici dell'arte per leggere e valutare la genesi di questo disegno.
Just by looking at a drawing, albeit with X-rays and infrared rays, how do we know that Leonardo da Vinci was ambidextrous? The drawing has 2 inscriptions. One is on the front side, written from right to left, and the other on the back, written from left to right. Thanks to an accurate calligraphic survey, we can see that they are both inscriptions done by Leonardo, as they use the same ink he used to draw most of the landscape. Although the 2 inscriptions have differences due to being done with 2 different hands, they also share numerous key features that unquestionably display Leonardo's unique style. The drawing also holds significant importance for the Uffizi galleries.
It confirms the Uffizi's commitment both to scholarly research and even innovative scientific research, as well as to the territory. The Uffizi is not an isolated museum in the midst of nowhere, but it is really the culmination of a landscape full of marvel, full of art, full of natural beauty. It is also a call for us to protect nature, what we have inherited, and not to destroy it.
The drawing comes back to Leonardo da Vinci's hometown from the 15th of April 2019 as part of the exhibition Leonardo da Vinci, The Source of Genius.